2,000% growth over the last 3 years. Is that an industry that sounds interesting to you? It does to me. I'm Jordan Hansen from Beyond Banks by Cobalt Intelligence. Let's dig into this industry that really is so fascinating and is experiencing so much growth right now. And let's talk about why. What has happened? This industry is the small business funding industry. Now, this sounds like business loans. To me, before I got into it, I didn't even know it existed. I really didn't know that this market happened, that it was there. I thought if you needed a loan for your business, you go to a bank or you go to a credit union. And the fact of the matter is, that's changing. That is not how it is anymore. So this list, it comes from Inc. 5000. It just came out this year, and it looks at growth over the last 3 years. Now, the top businesses on this list, the top performers, we picked out some of these top performers over there that are from the small business funding industry, and the growth is crazy. Now we realize, I went through and I averaged the growth from these 22 companies that are in this one. And obviously, if they're on this list, they're obviously going to be experiencing a massive amount of growth. But even the bottom ones, we're talking 88% growth over the last 3 years if you're on this list. The top one, 10,000% growth over the last 3 years. Why? That's the question. Why? Why is there so much growth in this industry? Small business owners, they need funding to grow. 29% of small businesses fail because they run out of capital. This is terrible. This is really unfortunate. It's really hard for an entrepreneur to start and get into a business and make it work like they want it to. They're putting their hopes and dreams into these businesses. And because they don't have access to capital, a lot of times these businesses fold. Capital can be used for obviously tons of different things, expanding, hiring new employees, equipment. All these things are very important. And like I said, historically, going to a bank has been the way to go. But the percentage of firms seeking traditional funding has actually declined in the recent years. In 2019, it was 43%. In 2020, 37%. In 2021, down to 34%. So it has constantly declined. But has the reason for this, is there some change happened? Are businesses needing less money? No, that's not the case at all. According to the U.S. Chamber of Commerce, the number one barrier to securing financing for small business owners, they said, was a time-consuming application process. 52% of them responded with this. That's a large amount of people. They said it just takes too long to get a loan. Now, do you have any idea how long it takes from a bank or credit union to get funding? If it's just a normal loan, you can get it in about a week. That doesn't sound too bad. If you're trying an SBA loan, which often has more aggressive and better terms, 30 to 90 days. To me, again, 2 years ago, this would have sounded like normal. Not a big deal. But if you are a pizza restaurant and your pizza oven goes down, you cannot wait a week or 60 days or 90 days for that funding to come in. You have to have that money now, or you shut your business and you close and you are done. And so having these alternative funders, these small business funding, these online lenders, is such a huge help to these small business companies. And because they're not a regulated industry, because it's not just a bank, oftentimes they get a bad name. And there are bad actors that exist in this. But there are many new disclosure laws coming out that help keep this industry transparent, remove some of those bad actors, and really help funders help connect with merchants and get them the capital they need. So, like I said, these online lenders, they can get it in up to 24 hours. Like, they can get funding to you that quickly. Compare that to a week or 30 to 90 days. It's a huge difference. The market is competitive for them. They have incentives to be quick with this. They've streamlined their process. I speak with many of these companies all the time, and they're always trying to see how fast they can get this application done, because they know that really it's a capitalist market. It's a free market here, and if they don't get that offer over to the merchant as fast as possible, then their competitor's going to, which incentivizes them to go ahead and make the best, quickest process there is. This is an important industry, and it's showing. You can see in the Inc. 5000 list, that growth is crazy, and it's going to keep growing. Small businesses need access to funds, and they need them quicker than ever before. Hope this has been helpful. My name is Jordan Hansen from Beyond Banks. Hit the like and subscribe if it has, and we'll talk later.